everyone, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to keep the shine on your laminated floor. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using some laminate floor cleaner and shiner. You also want to use a rag or a wet mop to clean it up. Make sure that you don't saturate the mop though. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and clean the surface area. So you can use a broom or something like that to go ahead and sweep the floor. Then we'll grab our shiner and spray it over the area. And after you spray it, don't let it sit there too long, because what will happen is it'll work its way down into these seams here of your laminate flooring and cause them to buckle. So now we'll just go ahead and wipe up the area. You'll want to go ahead and do this about 2 or 3 times a month to keep that shine. Nice thing about this laminate floor cleaner is it actually protects and cleans your floor. I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors. Hope this video has been a help to you. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.